Today's topic, what we are going to start is crop improvement. ये topic आपका इस chapter में left over है. So let's start it. Yesterday what we have done, all of you have understood. सब लोगों ने समझ लिया उसको. What was the topic yesterday? Crop protection and हार्वेस्टिंग एंड स्टोरेज. इसमें किसी को दिक्कत हो रही है? एनीबॉडी?
नो मैम.
किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है वहां तक कि मैम ये टॉपिक फिर से रिपीट करना है? नो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट. हियर चिल्ड्रन यू माइट बी नोइंग अबाउट, बहुत सारे बच्चे अभी ज्वाइन ही नहीं किए. चिल्ड्रन यू माइट बी नोइंग, आप लोग ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन के बारे में सुने हो या नहीं सुने? हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्स.
यस मैम.
ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन सुने हो? किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में है वो? ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन किस सेंस में है? कोई आइडिया है? इट इज रिलेटेड टू योर एग्रीकल्चर.
एग्रीकल्चर.
हाँ, एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड है. जैसे व्हाइट रेवोल्यूशन है, व्हाइट रेवोल्यूशन किससे रिलेटेड है?
व्हाट?
मिल्क.
मैम मिल्क.
प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मिल्क. हाँ, तो हियर ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन इज related to production of crops. Then, as the population of India was growing, then to feed the citizens of India, a revolution was brought about in India in 1960. Now, what happened at that time? When we got freedom, then we were in such a starvation that much of the population was not getting the main food item or cereals or grains which can just fulfill the demand of that increasing population. उतने बड़े population को feed करने के लिए इंडिया के पास ये crops नहीं था. तो government decided in 1960s that we have to develop that type of crop which takes less time to develop and can produce more and more yield. ज्यादा से ज्यादा yield देगा और less time में वो develop हो जाएगा. So what was the step taken? That high yielding dwarf variety of Mexican wheat was introduced in India. इंडिया में वैसा variety introduce किया गया जो कि कम समय में ज्यादा yield production कर सके, so that more and more people will be fed by that. These varieties were resistant to pest, diseases and lot. ये variety जो develop किया गया, जो introduce किया गया इंडिया में, इसका quality क्या था? एक तो production ज्यादा था, दूसरा ये पेस्ट का इस पर बहुत कम ही पेस्ट इसको हैम्पर कर सकते थे, बर्बाद कर सकते थे. डिजीज फ्री था और ये लॉडिंग में भी ये अनटाइमली रेन से जो क्रॉप्स बर्बाद होते थे वो भी इसमें बर्बादी कम हुई. देन अनदर वे ऑफ इम्प्रूविंग द यील्ड. दूसरा वे क्या था यील्ड को इम्प्रूव करने का? कि they followed the hybridization process. Now what is this hybridization? Hybridization क्या है? This is a cross breeding of two varieties. दो तरह के crop, मतलब the species will be same लेकिन उसका variety अलग होगा. जैसे suppose कर लो wheat है, wheat का अलग अलग variety को cross कर दिया गया और तब उसको एक नया तरह का plant develop करवाया गया. जैसे suppose कर लो कॉमनली आप लोग देखते होंगे रोज प्लांट, तो उसमें ग्राफ्टिंग होता है, लेकिन हिब्रिडाइजेशन होता है इन द केस ऑफ क्रॉप्स. क्रॉप्स के सेंस में हिब्रिडाइजेशन ये होता है कि दोनों के ये आपको स्टेम सेल्स को क्रॉस करवाया जाता है और उसको एक थर्ड वेराइटी डेवलप करवाया जाता है। उसमें आप देखते होगे ग्राफ्टिंग में 2 रोज प्लांट को जब एक साथ एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल में कट करके और उसको सॉइल के साथ कुछ देर टाई करके रखा जाता है कुछ दिनों तक, तो उसमें एक ग्रोथ, तो ग्रोथ होने से रूट का ग्रोथ होता है, रूट का ग्रोथ होने से वो एक थर्ड वेराइटी का प्लांट निकलता है। और आप देखते होगे मार्केट में पिंक कलर का रोज, मरून कलर का, येलो कलर का, अलग अलग तरह का रोज का प्लांट आपको अवेलेबल है। तो बेसिक कौन सा रोज है? रेड एंड व्हाइट। रेड एंड व्हाइट कलर बेसिक है, लेकिन उसके उसी दोनों को क्रॉस कर करके नया तरह का कलर्स डेवलप किया जाता है। तो हिब्रिडाइजेशन इज ऑल्सो दैट। इसमें क्या किया जाता है कि एंथर ऑफ वन प्लांट, एक तरह के वैरायटी के एंथर को दूसरे तरह के वैरायटी के स्टिग्मा पर स्प्रिंकल किया। When the anthers are taken, flowers में एंथर होता है मेल पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लावर, that is emasculated. Emasculation means plucking it, उसको प्लक कर दिया जाता है और प्लग करके उसको स्प्रिंकल किया जाता है ऑन द स्टिग्मा ऑफ द डिफरेंट अदर वेराइटी, दूसरे वेराइटी के स्टिग्मा पर इसको स्प्रिंकल किया जाता है। तो दिस प्लकिंग and crushing of anthers to spread it on the stigma is known as emasculation. And hybridization process, this just a sprinkling of the anther on the stigma to develop a third variety of plant is known as hybridization. उससे आपको, जिसको आप मार्केट में सुनते होंगे हाइब्रिड वेराइटी का ये प्लांट या हाइब्रिड वेराइटी का ये this crop is developed by the hybrid variety. So hybrid is the through the process of hybridization. Then after that, by such cross breeding of two desired varieties, seeds of a hybrid variety can be obtained. This work is done as एग्रीकल्चरल यूनिवर्सिटीज, जहां इसकी पढ़ाई होती है, जहां पर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होता है, क्रॉप का नया वेराइटी डेवलप करवाया जाता है। एंड देन आफ्टर दैट व्हेन इट इज these are approved by the research institute, then it is again distributed among the farmers. Farmers के पास इसको distribute करवा दिया। Okay, now here what happens, by cross breeding these two varieties, two desired varieties, seeds of a hybrid variety can be obtained, और ये when it is distributed to the farmers, then it should be on a large scale. ये लार्ज स्केल पे होना चाहिए। तो ये पहले एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है छोटा वेराइटी, छोटे स्केल पर इन द फील्ड विच इज जस्ट फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल यूनिवर्सिटी टू डू द एक्सपेरिमेंट, उस फील्ड में होता है। एंड देन इट इज ट्रांसफर्ड टू द just distributed among the farmers to practice in their own field. First it is all is examined कि ऐसे होगा, इतना टाइम लगेगा, इसको थर्ड वेराइटी जो डेवलप किया उसमें क्या क्या क्वालिटी है, दीज ऑल क्वालिटीज आर एग्जामिन्ड इन दिस फील्ड लैबोरेटरी। जो फील्ड लैबोरेटरी होता है एग्रीकल्चरल यूनिवर्सिटीज का, जैसे हमारे पास पूसा है, ये आपको यहाँ भी है, दिस इन दानापुर ऑल्सो देयर आर सर्टेन agricultural universities where different experiments are done, और कैंटोनमेंट एरिया के आगे, और ये अलग अलग जगह पे इंस्टीट्यूट, एग्रीकल्चरल इंस्टीट्यूट्स। देन वन ऑफ यू Avneet, can you hear me? Avneet, निशांत, निशांत कुमार,
हेलो, यस मैम।
चलिए आप इसको रीड करिए तो, क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट.
Hello.
Yes, Nishant, please read crop improvement. Are you able to hear me? Pallavi Sangam. Pallavi. Pallavi. Pallavi, can you hear me? Anybody who is connected, Pratham? Pratham Srivastav. Nishant.
Yes
Okay,
मैम,
let it.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
हाँ, तो आप इसको रीड करिए, क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट.
क्रॉप.
पढ़ो.
मैम विच पेज नंबर?
पेज नंबर 161.
Yes मैम, मिल गया. All the agricultural particles is followed
Practice.
properly.
It is practices.
Practices. Yes ma'am. If followed properly, help in increasing the production of grains to meet the demand of ever increasing population of India and to feed every citizen of India. A revolution was brought about in India in the 1960s. This was the Green Revolution. High yielding dwarf varieties of Mexican wheat were introduced in India. This variety were resistant to pests, disease and Lord, ma'am, ये क्या है?
Loading.
Loading. Another
Land
way of
loading.
improving, yes, ma'am. Another way of improving yield is by developing new variety of crops. This can be done by cross-breeding varieties, two different varieties. This phenomenon is known as hybridization.
Hybridization. Hybridization.
Hybridization. Two variety of plants A and B of desired characteristic are chosen. Anther from plant A are removed. This process is called emasculation. Anther from plant B are taken and its pollen grain are dusted on stigmas of A. Stigmas of A are then covered by paper bags. By such crossbreeding of two desired varieties, seed of a hybrid variety can be obtained. This work is done by agricultural universities and research industries. These hybrid seed
Institutes.
are
It
then
is institute, beta. Research institutes.
institute. These hybrid seed are then distributed among farmers.
Okay.
Do
Do
you
you
know?
know?
GM crops are genetically modified crops are plants whose DNA has been modified using various techniques of genetic engineering. DNA of these plants is modified to impart them characteristics that are not naturally present in them. Such characteristics include resistance to pests and disease, longer shelf life, tolerance to various abiotic stresses, name a new to name a few. Find out the
Okay.
names of some genetically modified crops.
Okay. Now there are certain plants which are genetically modified. Genetically modified means genes are just changed, or modification is just a changing of the setup of genes. और उसके कारण उसका डीएनए चेंज होता है और तब वो नया कैरेक्टर के साथ आ जाता है, मतलब वो जिसमें सेल्फ टॉलरेंस होगा, जो पेस्ट और डिजीजेस से कम बर्बाद होगा या खराब होगा, और तब वो मार्केट में आता है इतने सारे टेस्ट के बाद, ताकि वो डेवलप किया जाए और बिना प्रॉब्लम के, लेस प्रॉब्लम के साथ ज्यादा यील्ड दे सके. नाउ कॉर्न एंड येलो alfalfa can be here this name of the genetically modified. अब आ जाइए आप लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर पे. We will do one ABC. ABC आज हम लोग कर लेते हैं, and D. All of you please take a pencil in your hand. एक पेंसिल रखिए हैंड में. Dash results in loosening and mixing of soil. What will be the answer? Pallavi Sangam, you are in the class now. Why the sound is coming? Dash results in loosening and mixing of soil. Dash results in loosening and mixing of soil. Plowing. Dash compete with crops for nutrients. Weeds. WEEDS, weeds. Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodules of leguminous plant help in fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Rhizobium, RHIZOBIUM. Rhizobium. Bacteria present in the root nodules of leguminous plant. LEGUMINOUS. Rhizobium and leguminous plant help in fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Fourth one. Harvested grains are dried to reduce moisture content. Harvested grains are dried to reduce moisture content. Removal of anthers from flowers is known as emasculation. 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 Match the following. Sickle, harvesting. Tractor, plowing. Tractor, plowing. Seed drill, sowing. Seed drill, sowing. Combine, threshing. Combine, threshing. Silo, storage. Silo, storage. Take the correct option. The practice of growing leguminous plant between successive cereal crops is called crop rotation. The practice of growing leguminous plants between successive cereal crops is called crop rotation. Which among the following is a kharif crop? Rice. Which among the following is a kharif crop? Rice. The organic substance obtained from dead plants, animals, and their waste is known as manures. The organic substance obtained from dead plant, animal, and their waste is known as manure. The process of separating grain from chaff is known as winnowing. Is known as winnowing. Crops which are grown during the rainy season are known as kharif crops. Crops which are grown during the rainy season are known as kharif crop. All of you have noted down? सब लोगों ने नोट कर लिया? Please respond.
मैम फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स का नंबर 1 का आंसर क्या होगा? बस छूट गया था।
Plowing. All have written?
यस
यहाँ
मैम।
तक सबका हो गया?
यस मैम।
किसी को कोई दिक्कत है यहाँ तक? एक बार और सुन लो। Just listen again. First, fill in the blanks. Plowing results in loosening and mixing of soil. Weeds compete with crops for nutrients. It is weeds. Yes, I am repeating. I am repeating. Please listen. सब लोग एक बार फिर से सुन लीजिए आंसर. Plowing results in loosening and mixing of soil. Weeds compete with crop for nutrients. Rhizobium. RHIZOBIUM. Children, when I unmute you all start talking. That I will repeat, Anurag. Hybridization and emasculation. First you mark the question answer. इसको पहले कर लीजिए, उसके बाद करेंगे. Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodules of leguminous plant help in fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Harvested grains are dried to reduce moisture content. Removal of anthers from flowers is known as emasculation. Sickle. Harvesting, tractor, plowing, seed drill, sowing, combine, threshing, silo, storage. The practice of growing leguminous plant between successive cereal crops is called crop rotation. Which among the following is kharif crop? Rice. The organic substance obtained from dead plant, animal, and their waste is known as manure. The process of separating grain from chaff is known as winnowing. Crops which are growing during rainy season are known as kharif crop. Then, question answer. Children, first question in your book is why is the use of seed drill more advantageous as compared to sowing seed by broadcasting? This is the question in your book also. Please respond. What is the first question given in your book? I'm confirming it. Anybody? Ananya, okay, Akash. Ananya, are you there? Supriya?
Yes, ma'am.
Supriya, आप देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपके बुक में D1 is why is the use of seed drill more advantageous as compared to sowing seeds by broadcasting? This is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question. Okay,
Yes,
चलिए
ma'am.
आंसर लिखिए. Seeds are sown in a uniform way and ensures. You can start from here. The use of seed drill is more advantageous as compared to sowing seed by broadcasting because seeds are sown in a uniform way and ensures equal distance, ensures the availability of sunlight, water, and nutrients. The use of seed drill is more advantageous as compared to sowing seed by broadcasting because seeds are sown in a uniform way and ensures equal distance with availability of sunlight, water, and nutrients. Next question. Is it completed? लिख लिए सब लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Babu wants to practice crop rotation. Help him by suggesting what kind of crop can be grown between two successive cereal crops. Also provide him names of one Rabi and one Kharif crop that can be used to replenish the nitrogen content of the soil. So what will you suggest? Crop rotation में अगर successive cereal crop के बीच में क्या आप add कर सकते हो? दो अगर successive cereal crop है, तो you can suggest leguminous crop or vegetables. Leguminous crops or vegetables. Rabi crop का नाम आपको देना है, one Rabi crop. Then you can give the name as अरहर, मस्टर्ड, लिनसीड, wheat, कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हो. नहीं, you have to name that type of crop which is replenishing nitrogen content. So you will write leguminous crop. May arhar crop will be there for replenishing nitrogen content. Then, if rice is sown in the month of November, how is the produce likely to be impacted and why? अगर राइस को नवंबर में सो करोगे तो क्या होगा? What will happen? Will it give proper yield? वो टेम्परेचर सूटेड रहेगा for its growth? No. लिखो, the sowing season of rice is June and it requires lots of water. So if it is sown in the month of November, it will not produce yield properly. Growth will not be proper as it will not get sufficient rainfall. As it will not get sufficient rainfall and warmth. That is also necessary. Sufficient rainfall and warmth. What are crumbs? Why should they be broken? Come to page number 155. 155. A plowed field has big pieces of soil called crumbs. It should be broken. It should be broken for proper irrigation purpose and sowing. It should be broken for proper irrigation purpose and sowing of seeds. Define the term transplantation. List any 2 advantages it offers to the farmer. Page number 156. You can start from 155. Seeds are sown in a small plant called nursery. When seedlings are formed, they are manually planted in the field. This is known as transplantation. This ensures uniform availability of sunlight, water, and nutrients to the plant. This ensures uniform availability of sunlight, water, and nutrients to the plants. Anybody has any problem till here? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई दिक्कत है? Anybody? Yes, Deepak. What problem you are having? Deepak, क्या दिक्कत है? बोलो.
मैम नंबर 3 का मैम आंसर कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया. मैम नंबर 3 का.
लिखो. If rice is sown in month of November, how is the produce likely to be impacted and why? आप एक बार वो आंसर पढ़ो जो हम लिखवाए आपको. कहाँ तक लिखे हो ये देखो.
If rice is sown in the month of November, if rice is sown in month of November, इसके बाद से मैम नहीं हो पाया.
हाँ लिखो. If anybody has written, क्योंकि लैंग्वेज कहीं बदल ना जाए, आपको फिर से बोलेंगे. कोई दूसरा बच्चा लिखे हुए उसको रिपीट करो. Astha, have you written? Astha, have you written this answer? अच्छा ठीक. आद्या साही. Okay, लिखो.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written this answer? D3. D3 लिखे हो?
No, ma'am.
तो लिखो, बोलो ना, तुम लोग आवाज नहीं निकलता. If rice is sown in the month of November, then what was the answer? Continuity बोलो, then I will repeat it. I want one of you to repeat that answer. Ananya, लिखो तब फिर. If rice is sown in month of November, then it will not get
proper.
It will require a lot of water.
It will not get proper amount of water as its sowing season is June, and in this month, and in this, that is why I am telling you all to repeat. First में हम क्या बोले थे वो आप repeat करिए, because every time the language will change. Anybody? Krish, have you written? कोई नहीं लिखा. Krish,
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो तो आंसर नंबर D3 क्या लिखवाए थे वो बोलो.
If rice is sown in month of November, the yield will not grow properly due to not sufficient temperature that is needed by the plant and require due to not present of required water needed for the growth of plant.
हाँ ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है. आप अपने से भी लिख सकते हो इसको. You can write in your own language also. But the basic thing is that November is not the month of sufficient rainfall. तो आप ये लिखोगे उसमें. If rice is sown in the month of November, then it will not get sufficient amount of water because the June month, which is the sowing month of rice, is having sufficient rainfall and warmth for the growth of that plant. यही आपको लिखना है. फैक्ट यही रखना है. ठीक है. एनीबडी? किसी को और कोई दिक्कत? वैसे हम प्रॉपर लिख कर आपको व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर देंगे. जो प्रॉपर लैंग्वेज होगा वो व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर देंगे ताकि सब लोग एक ही आंसर लिखिए. ठीक है. वाटर क्रम्स एंड ऑल यू ऑल हैव मार्क. ये तो हो गया है. और कोई दिक्कत है यहाँ तक? अभी डी क्वेश्चन. So today's work is to complete the question in your copy. और आपका चैप्टर नंबर